Hello, I'm Sonali Shinde from Team BI. I, along with Mangesh Rege and Gaurav Mittal, will be analyzing three technology brands that specialize in dashboards and data visualizations. Project Objective. Our team has considered the hypothetical example of BigCart. BigCart is a large enterprise in the retail business since 60 years. It is a well-established supermarket chain in California that is planning to expand their business in other states in the United States of America. To fulfill this corporate goal, BigCart wants to decide upon a BI tool that can help them perform the following marketing functions and devise a strategic marketing campaign. The marketing functions that they want are the analysis of sales performance, forecasting, market share analysis, and resource management.
Hello, I am Mangesh, and these are the three technology brands that are being discussed in this project. The first one is Microsoft Power BI, followed by SAP Business Objects Lumira, and the final technology brand that is being discussed is Tableau. So the first tech brand that we are going to discuss is Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is a cloud-based business intelligence and analytics platform that enables the user to create visually immersive visualizations by analyzing datasets from Excel spreadsheet or any local database. Microsoft Power BI provides attractive and comprehensive overview of the most critical data of the organization through numerous visualizations and scalable dashboards available on multiple devices. Power BI also simplifies data visualization by permitting natural language processing through Cortana, which is a personal digital assistant with Power BI Online. Power BI also consists of 74 data connectors which help its users to import, query, and mash up data from online services such as Microsoft Exchange and Google Analytics. To ensure that Power BI is compatible with other software ecosystems, Microsoft also provides connectivity to Oracle Database, IBM DB2 database, and various other databases. Furthermore, custom visualizations can be obtained via AppSource Marketplace. Custom visual files and organization visuals are the other two deployment channels that are made available by Microsoft Power BI community to the users for continued access of numerous custom visualizations. Microsoft ensures the quality and the functionality of these visualizations through rigorous testing. Power BI Report Server provides on-premise reporting and helps to manage BI reports, KPIs, paginated reports, mobile reports, and Excel workbooks. Following are the strengths of Microsoft Power BI. First of all, it is highly affordable. It comes with a free desktop version and the Power BI Pro version with a $9.99 per month subscription fee. Power BI is integrated with a top brand like Microsoft. It also comes with consistent upgrades. It is easily integrated with Excel. It has good report visualization capabilities and an extensive database connectivity. There is availability of learning resources and an active community which solves all the Power BI problems. Power BI is also mobile friendly. These are the few weaknesses of Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI users will experience a lot of timeouts and slow performance while handling large sets of data. Secondly, there are many complex components like Power BI Desktop, Gateway, Power BI Services, etc., and it is difficult to understand which option is best suited for the business. It lacks granularity because Microsoft Power BI does not allow you to build scheduled reports, personalized user reviews, personalized notifications, personalized security views, or customized reports. And finally, there is no solution to improve the data quality because Power BI assumes that the data you're pulling has already been properly cleaned and scrubbed, which means the data quality is high.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Mittal, and today I'm going to talk about SAP Lumira. SAP Lumira is one of the visual intelligence tool which is used to get the insight of the data through interactive visualization. Lumira is an extraordinary device for performing marketing examination. Also, It is a self-service data visualization tool for business users. On the other hand, it permits add-ons to the BI platform. SAP Lumira is proved to be one of the cost-effective tool management for large corporate BI deployments. SAP Lumira helps its business users to gain insight from the trusted enterprise data source and personal data. Now we will talk about some of the strengths of SAP Lumira. So, SAP Lumira is used for enterprise reporting. It is one of the tools which is used for data discovery and predictive analysis. It is a self BI tool which is used to create interactive dashboards. And SAP Lumira is also used for telling the data stories. Thank you. Now we will talk about some of the weaknesses of SAP Lumira. So, SAP Lumira requires a local installation of the software on each and every device. Second, SAP Lumira works on the limited datasets. If the dataset is exceeded, then SAP Lumira may not perform well. And the last, it is not very stable, so our work needs to be saved on the regular basis. So at the time of crash in our software, we can recover it easily. Thank you.
Hello, it's Sonali here, and in this slide, I'll be talking about a last technology brand that is Tableau. Tableau is a market-leading business intelligence and data visualization tool. It handles data coming from disparate sources. It delivers efficient ad hoc analysis and offers a wide range of products that cater to all types of users. Its wide range of products include Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Prep, and Tableau Reader. Tableau also helps companies to analyze and understand real-time customer data that comes from the social media or the web. Let's talk about the strengths of Tableau that make it so popular among the Fortune 500 companies compared to other BI tools available in the digital market. Tableau is used to create stunning visualizations and interactive dashboards, stories, and workbooks which can be stored on Tableau Server. With the help of Tableau Server, it is possible to distribute and collaborate on data visualizations and stories across team members and even outside contractors. Tableau Server is highly secured for data visualizations and is compatible with Windows and Linux operating systems. Next is data warehousing. Tableau software supports 94% of data warehousing functionalities. Other BI packages on the market average 83% coverage in this module, meaning the Tableau software solution has a discernible advantage over others. Next is data integration. In this module, Tableau software supports 84% of the attributes. This is very good, given that other BI software cover on average 68% of data integration functionalities and amounts to a notable advantage for the Tableau software system. Reporting and analysis. Tableau software covers 88% of the reporting and analysis attribute. This is quite impressive. Its competitors cover an average 82% of the functionalities for this module, which represents a modest yet perceptible advantage for Tableau software. Its bulk handling capabilities and high performance are remarkable. Its ability to create smart dashboards is also very impressive. Complex calculations that need to be performed in the dataset to gain better insights can also be done easily because Tableau integrates with programming languages like R and Python. Now let's talk about the weaknesses of Tableau. High cost. Tableau is in the foremost expensive visual image package, particularly compared to such business intelligence giants as Oracle's and IBM's solution. All identical, the license is sort of expensive for many little to medium corporations. Also, the package needs correct preparation, implementation, maintenance, and employees coaching that come back at a sizable worth. Therefore, its high price makes Tableau the selection of primarily giant businesses. Next, is time and resource intensive employees coaching. Basic use of the plans doesn't demand hyper-focused information in Tableau. However, the tool's visual image potential is almost unlimited, whereas the educational curve is implausibly steep for non-analyst users. Embeddability. Although the seller claims that its tool will be simply embedded into any business IT landscape, in reality, the solution's capabilities don't afford a sleek embedment. Seamless Tableau's integration into a company's product could be a real challenge from each the money and the technical points of the reading. For ISVs that want something that looks or feels like the rest of your application and want to scale cost effectively, Tableau is not the right solution. No custom visual imports. Sometimes new visuals need to be reproduced rather than imported in Tableau. There's absence of custom designing in Tableau. Tableau's restrictive organizing and constrained 16-section table showcases our torment focuses for clients. Additionally, to execute a similar arranging to various fields, it is extremely unlikely a client can do that for all fields straightforwardly. Clients need to do that physically for each field, which is exceptionally tedious.
Depending on the previous analysis, following is the brand comparison table that is devised by our team. Compared to Microsoft Power BI and SAP Lumira, Tableau provides high-quality data analysis, data visualizations, and dashboards. Tableau also provides optimum database connectivity, which rates it higher in scalability. The user interface of Microsoft Power BI is much more intuitive and adaptive compared to SAP Lumira and Tableau. This makes it a higher rating compared to others. Tableau also integrates much better with R and Python compared to Power BI and Lumira. Microsoft Power BI and Tableau offer the better pricing options compared to SAP Lumira.
Tableau has been chosen as the recommended brand for BigCart. The main reason for its selection is because BigCart is a large-sized company based in California with a strong footing in the retail industry. The other reason is Tableau's high performance characteristics and its capability to handle large volumes of data. Tableau has high quality ad hoc analysis characteristics followed by high performance predictive analysis characteristics. It has visually captivating dashboards and data visualizations which give it an upper hand over its competitors.
Hello everyone. Now I will be discussing about the learning reflections, what we obtained from this project. So basically we focused on three visualization platforms and they are Power BI, Tableau and SAP Lumira. So by doing this project we understood the pros and cons of each of the technology and understood the use of these tools in the specific areas and how they can be utilized in marketing. With this project, we have gained the necessary knowledge about these technologies and how it can be useful in our career. Thank you.